Hello, Mr. Sadanand Kotner. Welcome to Health Education Library for People.
Thank
We're
you.
happy to have you here to share your patient story on
Nice.
saying enjoy life with dialysis.
Yes,
It's
sir.
a very important topic, and our viewers would like to know what you will be talking during this lecture today.
Yeah, this is, I'm just, I'm the patient of dialysis. I think, sorry. Few years, and I would like to share my experience with the people, those who have some wrong concepts and wrong understanding about the disease and the replication and what not other psychologically they are get disturbed because of such things, So I wanted to highlight on this issue. If there is some misunderstandings about their views and if there are wrong views they have, they are not properly understood this what they should do and what way they think on that particular subject and how they come to their routine lifestyle, for which I think I will share my experience, and that's I think that it will help people to get a new thought on that, and they work on that thought. Probably their life would be so enjoyable and as a routine life which they can enjoy. This is my object of. Yeah, welcome all of you, my friends. I am Sadanand Purushottam Kotnis. I am by profession, I am a legal man. I am a legal advisor in limited companies and having my legal profession for last 3-4 decades. And naturally my life was as routine. This is the today we have come here to, I would like to share my experience about the dialysis. The dialysis, normally a person always gets scared about the name itself. What is dialysis and what is the replication of it? And what is the end of it? I think I looked at this particular thing as very positive manner. The positive, why I became a positive on this? Have I any other option than this? Can I run away from this problem? Can I get rid if I don't look at this? I cannot. I have to face it. So if I have to face it, why not to face very gracefully and joyfully? I think I would like to request all of you, when I start on and speaking on this subject, after completion of my lecture, we will given some time for us to, if you have to ask few questions on that, I will definitely, I will be very happy to respond on that. But as long as I am in this lecture, please don't try to disturb, don't try to put any sort of quarry in between, right? So when this particularly, I was also absolutely like you people. I was very comfortably doing my profession and my social life and all very beautifully till 2005. Thereafter, suddenly, I don't know what had happened. I was feeling breathlessness. Then I was getting my water retention in the body. Then feeling giddiness. I was rather confused what to do. Thereafter, sometimes, I don't able to, I used to lost my memory. And that strikes me. Now I have to go to doctor. Normally, you will always feel that when you go to doctor, then you are always disturbed. Why to go to doctor? Yeah, something is maybe wrong with me. But after such type of my last 10 years experience, I think this is one of the good day for me to go to doctor. That is one of the good opportunity for me to come to the routine life of mine. When I go to doctor, initially I had a lot of problem, where to go, this. But once I go and I got a treatment and again I revert back to my previous life, I'm very much comfortable. Then that is one of the good thing for me to go to doctor. That is one of the, I enjoy to go to doctor. Subsequently, I come across doctors and the urologist and the nephrologist. I am being as a legal man, I don't know much medically about it. What doctor says, I have to just understand, try to understand more and more. And one fine morning, doctor asked me, no, you have to go for dialysis. And I was slightly shocked. What to do? I really have heard this somewhere about in 2009 or 10, this is the matter of 2000, last 5-6 years. Then I asked me to go under some operative surgery. That is a more problematic thing. What operative surgery and all. Okay. Then I have been hospitalized. Thereafter, I was made some that fistula, which is normally done from this part of it. And I was started twice in a week. I was asked. Now the issue is like that. It's a not question of, pain and all, because, it's a pain. Sometimes somebody pricks you, so it pains you. So, okay, you accept it. But one has to lie down in a hospital for 4 hours. During the 4 hours of time, what I should think? What I should think, and that was the biggest problem for me. That's one part. And the other part is my family member who is waiting for me, what they would think about me, what they are doing, without any sort of a medical, without sort of any default, by default, they had to take care of me while sitting outside. So all the family got disturbed. Myself, I am on the bed, and those who are my parents, those people are my family members, they outside, they worried about me. Now how to do? So then I developed my mentality in such a manner. If I get nervous, they will get more nervous. So I just like to enjoy my the lifestyle. I say, okay, I'll enjoy. Absolutely no problem. This is a 4 hours time. What? On the contrary, I look at particular this point, very positive manner, because last 50 years when I was in profession, education, and various social activity, I had no time to look for my personal thing. All the time look after my family, look after my social life and my profession and my finance and all. Here 4 hours, I got, nobody is going to disturb me. Nobody comes and bother me. I relax in my conscious. There I think that I could try to generate something out of it. So I say, I should not come to such type of thing. I should not expect that everybody should have dialysis. But when I am having a dialysis, and which I have no other option to get rid from them, why not to accept it? Why not to enjoy it? And I took a decision on that. Okay, I will not, when I go to dialysis, I will not get nervous. I will be very hopefully I'll go. When I sit 4 hours, I lie down on the bed. And after 5 hours, when I come out, thereafter another 2 days, I am comfortably okay. On the contrary, I add to that, a person who is okay, all right, I don't go to doctor for 6 months, 7 months. There is more risk factors to me. But whereas I am concerned, every 48 hours I am going to a doctor. When I go to 48 hours, it means doctor has absolutely give guarantee for my life. To touch wood, nobody should have such type of thing. But psychologically I developed, when I go to doctor every 48 hours, I go to clinic 48 hours, it means I think that my life sounds to be some secured. And it's a part of the life. So I said thrice in a week, I go to hospital. Thereafter, when you go to that climate, that atmosphere, naturally you come across a lot of personalities. When I look at there are patients, those the boys of 7 years and 8 years suffering from chemotherapy. I feel so bad about it. Of course, I feel pity about me because I am under dialysis patient. But when I look at them, what life they got. And as compare my pain with them, I say I am much more grateful to the God. I am very much grateful to the God, at least at this age. And apart from that, I know what are happening to me. And a kid which is not aware of 7 or 8 years, when he doesn't know what for he is being treated, here I know at least what for I am being treated. And even I am being treated for something which gets me my normal life back to my earlier life. So I am very much comfortable on that. So that's the various of things has happened in the life, and I think it's I intend means in such cases, lot of people have come across, and they are totally psychological disturbed. What to do now? And now I have to this dialysis, and what is the end of it? Absolutely, one should not worry about it. They should always think, it's happened, I go to doctor, I get the treatment, I will back to this thing, my lifestyle will be improved, and as earlier, so 10 years before, how I was, I treated and this way. Now, there are other, this particularly dialysis, so what would be the symptoms of it? Here what happened, once I used to, my water was retained in the body, that's why swelling, so there is a leg swelling. And feeling very, and is a problem for breathing, biggest problem is breathing. Then you feel very very tired. You just walk for 10 feet, you feel very tired, you feel giddiness. So that is in that case, it is better to go to doctor immediately, so that especially when I come across a lot of patients. So I was thinking that when I was suffering from diabetes, So diabetes can damage me in various level. My kidney could get defected, my heart get blockage, I get brain hemorrhage, or my retina will get affected. So now which is the small hurt? I think kidney is a small hurt where you got some option. Suppose if it's a brain hemorrhage, what solution I will have? If other things would happen, if the retina is gone, my life would be very miserable. Whereas I take in this way, okay, there is a loss, but it's a small loss. It is not a big loss. So in that event, I take it, okay, kidney has failure to some extent, and there is a two type of. There is a one is acute, and one is a chronic. Because last 5 years I am taking a treatment, it sounds it is a chronic. It is not acute. Acute could be happening to some reasons. You have some diet problem or some take some drugs which not giving you good results or something. It's a side effects or something. That can be acute kidney failure could be there, and that could have been get it repaired at a certain span of by giving some medication. But whereas in our case, when I am a chronic kidney failure, then dialysis is only the option left for me. There are a lot of people say, why don't you go for transplant? Okay, transplant is so of course there is a solution for that. But I am looking at my personal other things. After completing certain age, if I am facing a problem, probably if I don't have kidney problem, I would have some other problem. So for kidney I got answer, for other what answer I would have. So I said to make somebody's life miserable by way of taking his kidney, whether it may be my sister, it may be my wife, it may be my son, whosoever it may be. But the end of the day, back of my mind is there, I did something which makes somebody uncomfortable. At this age, I think that this is not advisable for me, because when my conscience may not agree to me, there are people who will disagree with me, but as far as I am concerned, I feel that I don't want somebody's life to be made miserable, and I should be cause of it. That's altogether my attitude. That's why that option of going for a transplant, that was ruled out. And if at all, meantime that I come, so all of you have been knowing, the last 50 years look at the medicine part of it. Certain diseases were very horrible, just like this tuberculosis and the plagues and all, which was, there was a horrible disease. And now TB and all, it is to be taken as a very, very light way. Go to any physician, he get you treatment and you'll be out of it. So the same thing would be happen in case of dialysis. Now there is a same various of drugs are arrived in from the States. There are a lot of research has been carried out. Artificial kidneys has been prepared. So I think I had to kill the time to some extent till that research gets over. So I'm very optimistic and very hopefully into that. If such type of treatment comes, I will be of course a beneficiary. And thereafter that, I feel that those who are, suffering from such type of this thing, they are having great hopes to that, and they should wait for such hopes. Their life will be not miserable at all, and they will have their life as earlier life. They can, the routine life, they can come forward. They can just go on with their life. So I think that I look at this in a very positive manner, very hopefully. That as of today, I had to go for dialysis, but you will look at me, do you feel that any sort of symptoms on mine? So absolutely not. So that's the way. I think that everybody, God give a long life and good life and healthful life to everybody. And I really thankful to all of you that you have listened to me for some time. At the same time, now I request all of you, if you want to ask any questions thereof, I would be happy to respond to it.